Hey Lamar, what's up, what's up? I look a bit bright. We are back at it again, next day. Yesterday ended a bit abruptly. Mainly because it got pretty dark pretty quick and we couldn't really get any lighting, so we just stopped where we were. But we're back at it today. We've got the sub box out of the car now. Here she is. Get a nice look at it. We're gonna make sure all the corners and everything that we need to be nice and neat, because obviously our cuts were perfectly straight as we measured everything perfectly, you know. And just maybe give it a bit of a light sand. Sub's gonna come out, and we're gonna start with laying the material. I've seen worse lighting. It's kind of mystical, like we're going to tell a story.
Day 75 of being in the wild.
Day 75. It got dark, it started raining. We're just going to finish up with some panels. At the moment we are about to cover, it's actually really difficult to see, but these are the side panels. We're going to cover it with the material now, 6x9s, because that's probably the easiest, and then test fit maybe. Considering the rain's gone, we can still test, but we don't need to film that really. Probably last thing we'll... Oh, pardon me, shit. I don't know what more we'll film today, but...
Because of lighting,
yeah, lighting's not our friend at the moment. And we can still see pretty well, but obviously the camera's having a bit of a harder time. I can't get my other lens. It's a bit of a mission, so... I don't list to get the 24 out. I mean, I might, genuinely, but for now I think we're just going to keep it chilled. We're just going to wrap the 6x9s, get the shit done, because we are so close to finishing. And then yeah, fuck it, we'll figure out the rest as we get along. Shot for watching. Cheers guys.
Tomorrow.
Alright, what's up, what's up?
Oh yeah, what's up, what's up?
Day who knows what of
5.
Is it 5?
If you just add them together, it's day 5.
Yeah, we're working on the boot again. It's quite late, that's why...
7 o'clock.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. What a time to start. We're gonna put everything together and test everything, make sure all the wiring's done. Only thing we're gonna leave is the amp lid, and then we should be good. That's pretty much it, let's get it.
Okay, there I started. How's it, guys? So, just an update from the earlier update. We have, let's round it off, saying about 85% completed the box. Obviously, we can't do the other smaller things that we want to do now because we don't want to cut in the dark because we don't want it to be skew. So now I'm just going to show you what we've done and how it looks, and then from there, yeah. So now do it here. So here's a bit of the updated view of the box. As you can see, we still need to cover the amp lid with material, and then we still need to put in the LEDs, but I think for what it is, I think it looks really cool. Plain, simple, sounds very good. We tuned it quite nicely, and then I must just put my backboard on, and then we golden.
3 days later.
Hello, Ma. Come here. Might as well get in it. What's up, what's up?
Round 6,
That. I don't know if it is round 6.
if we're counting.
We're here to finish the boot today, hopefully. We just have to sort out the bottom panel. Bottom panel? The panel that covers the amp box with the perspex, and we're going to run some LEDs. And then we should be good for the basic part. There might be some more stuff at a later stage, but we'll figure it out. What's up? We're here with Jordan. We just finished his boot install, and he's gonna grab the camera over here and walk you around his boot.
It's just the boot.
Yeah, well, fuck it, show them everything.
So yeah, this is the final product that we have come up with. Very simple. We were gonna add some triangular or different shades, like a different shade of material on the box, but then we decided not to because we thought at first let's start off plain and then see how it goes from there. And then we added another little fun thing. We added some lighting under the wheel while I was in the front because we thought it would be cool. But yeah, this is the final product. Very simple. I think it came out super cool.
They did it. Yeah.
And then?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. We don't ask for that much.
And stay tuned for the next
Next
project.
Ooh,
Next
who knows
project.
what's next?
Air suspension.
Ooh, air suspension. Okay.
Need to fix this though.
By the way, Ashley's here as well, if you were wondering. He's also here having a jaw if the camera wants to focus.